how to compress a PDF on a Chromebook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce the size of a PDF file without losing quality. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so as you can see here, I have a PDF and it is 4.1 megabytes. And to compress it, we're going to be using a free tool called pdfgadget.com. And full disclosure, I created this tool because I wanted to be able to recommend something that does not require you to upload your PDFs to a server. So all the tools work within the browser on your Chromebook. Nothing ever leaves your Chromebook. And check the description, I have a link down there. Once you get to pdfgadget.com, select Compress PDFs, and then just click on Select a PDF file to compress. From there, find and select the PDF that we want to compress. Then scroll down and you can select the compression level you want to try. So first I'll start with low, select Compress. It's going to compress that PDF. Now as you can see, it went from 4 megabytes down to 2.2 megabytes. If I do medium, it's going to process and bring it down to 1.66. If I select high, it'll bring it down to 1.32. So that's a really big reduction in the size of that PDF file. To download it, select Download Compressed PDF. I'm going to open that up so you can see what it looks like. And you can see that it still looks really good. So you don't lose any of that quality of that PDF, but the size is drastically smaller. And as you can see in the files here, we have the compressed PDF, 1.3 megabytes. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.